Okay, this one's going to be just 2 colors, just to show you can make something pretty with not so many colors. And this is a 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch little cardboard piece. And I'm just going to mark my center, and then I'm going to base my dots off of that, because I don't like having to erase so much. Lines. Alright, found my center there. And I'm going to use just this bright blue and white, and that's all I'm going to use. It's going to be a quick little video. Not too tough. Okay, I'm going to start out with number 6, and I'm going to make a blue dot right in the center. I don't have my, okay, number 6. And then I'm going to go down to the number 2 and do white dots around it. And I'm going to do blue dots around that. Yeah, it's kind of zoomed out, isn't it? Let's move it in a little bit. Okay. I like to do patterns just like a black canvas with white on it, and then topped out with different colors. That looks nice too. I might do more of that in this one. Let's see. I'm going to move up in size. This one's going to be easy when it comes to colors because we're not changing very much. I'm going to go to number 6. And I'm going to put white dots out from that. I'm skipping every other one for right now. And then I'm going to go even bigger. Let's go up to, let's go really bigger. Let's go to number 14, and I'm going to do white dots again in between these. And this is just going to be a really quick, simple pattern. And I'm going to go to, number is that, number 10. And I'm going to do blue dots out from these. Now I'm going to go to the number 6. And I'm going to do a blue dot in the corner of each one of these. White dots. And using the number 6 still, I'm going to do white dots out from these. Just like in between. Okay, now I'm going to go down in size. To the number 4, and I'm going to take white dots, and I'm going to go, oh, my plan is spoiled. Okay, I'm just going to put white dots right out from these other ones, just to connect those on both sides. And then I'm going to do a white dot out on top of each of these. And then I'm going to switch sizes. Let's go a little bit bigger. Number 5. I'm going to do blue dots in 2 blue dots in each of those corners. And then one more on the other side of the white dot. All right. Now I'm going to use the number 3, and I'm going to walk some dots around these blue ones. Just like 1 in the center and 2 to each side. And each one. And then I'm going to put, I'm hiding that number again. One on each of these corners. And circle those with 3. So 1 on the outside edge. And then 1 on each side of it. Frame it in a little bit. That dot was not so much a dot. Okay. Now I'm going to lighten my blue with some white. I'm going to use this to do some top dotting. First, I'm going to pause you a minute, and I'm going to blow this dry. Be right back. Okay. I'm going to use, not the number 3. I'm going to switch that out. Maybe bigger than that. Okay, I'm going to use number 9. And I'm going to use the dark blue and put it on the white. Alright. Now I'm going to go down to, let's see, not too big, yeah, number 3. And I'm going to use the lightened blue color, and I'm going to dot on these inside blue, the dark blue ones that are right out from those big white ones. And then I'm also going to do the bigger blues in the center, but I'm going to move up in size. It's not big enough. Let's go up to a number 6. For these blues. It wasn't quite dry, I don't think. Alright, and then I'm going to go down. Let's get the number 2 if I can find it. There it is. Go down to the number 2. We're going to put some white dots on those dark blue ones. And this outside edge here. So the 3, I kind of go in a triangle pattern in each corner. And go up to a 3. And I'm going to use my not lightened blue color, just the original blue color, and I'm going to dot these white dots out to the edge here. And I'm also going to do these inside white ones too. And I think I'm just going to leave it like that. It's just a fun, cute little mandala. And you can do it in any color you want. Just something a little bit different. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.